I had installed this rod holder in front of my seat so I could have a rod right in front of me. And I put this aluminum plate down, and then I bolted the Scotty rod holder to it. And I want to do some trolling, and I want to add another rod holder next to that one. So I'm going to add another Scotty rod holder right next to it. That way, when I do some trolling, I'll have one rod out that way and one out this way. Or I can just interchange, move them around, or just use one. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna bolt this on. I think I have enough room under the plate for some more nuts. So I can bolt me a couple of more bolts here, and maybe a couple here. Now I'm going to mark my holes. I need to drill my holes out. I'll put this piece of wood in here so I don't drill into my hole. I need to drill out these holes so I can get the right depth for my bolts. Get just enough bolt to go through that lock washer and stop before it hits the hole. Okay, I got enough length on my bolt just to get past the plate. I got to do the other hole. Alright, I have enough sticking out for both sides. Now I have to force this lock nut up in here because there's not a lot of room. Now I'll put my other rod holder back in place. Okay, I got my two rod holder bases set up. Now I can install my rod holders. Okay, now I have my dual rod holders.